Hello, Reese. Hello, Mackenzie. Hello, Mason. Hello, Maggie. Today we're going to do some science with Grandpa. This is what we're going to need. We're going to need vinegar, baking soda, mason jar, measuring cup, measuring scoop, a wire tie strap, a rubber glove, eye protection. Today what we're going to do is we're going to mix two different kinds of things together to create a reaction. We'll get to see what that is here in just a moment. To do this, we're going to have to follow this formula. Formula is a kind of way of saying like a recipe when we're talking about cooking, or a plan when we're talking about building or construction. A formula is what you use when you mix different chemicals together in science. Today we're going to need 1 cup of vinegar and a 1/4 cup of baking soda. So let's get to work. First off, Grandpa's going to take his measuring cup. He can see that this is for 2 cups, but he only needs 1 cup. So I've got that line there at 1, and so I'm going to take this vinegar. Now vinegar looks a lot like water, but it doesn't taste like it. Vinegar is very good for you, though. You can use it in a lot of different ways in cooking recipes. Today, though, I'm going to put in 1 cup of vinegar. And I'm going to take that vinegar and I'm going to put it into this canning jar, or also called a mason jar. You hear that, Mason? Mason jar. And what I use these for, and what Nanny and I do, is that we'll take our strawberries that we grow throughout the summer, we'll cook them up, we'll put them inside these jars, we'll put a lid on it, and we follow a formula that lets us then take those tomatoes from in here, and they won't rot, and they'll taste good come winter time. So that's called canning. So that's what we do with these. So I'm going to take my mason jar and I'm going to take my vinegar. I'm going to slowly pour it. Uh-oh, Grandpa forgot one of the major things about science: eye protection. Before we put our formula together at all, we need to put our eye protection on. So let me do that. Okay, now we can do our science. So I'm going to take our vinegar and I'm going to carefully pour it into our mason jar. See how that's all going in there? Pour that into the mason jar. Set that off to the side. I'm going to set our mason jar off to the side because now we're going to use baking powder. And yes, baking powder is actually used in baking. It's a powder. So I'm going to take this scoop, a 1/4 cup scoop. I'm going to dig into there. I'm going to get a little more. Just, look at that clump. The guy doesn't like. I can put it back in there. There we go. So I got my 1/4 cup. I still don't like that. Let me get more in there. There we go. Okay, now we're feeling better. A 1/4 cup of baking soda. I'm going to set that off to the side. And now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this baking soda and I'm going to put it inside our rubber glove. Okay? So there, it's all in there. We'll put this off to the side. Now I'm going to bring my mason jar to here. And I'm going to take the rubber glove and I'm going to put it over the mason jar. So along the edges, I'm taking it carefully up and around. I'm pulling that around there. Just down and around so it fits real tight. Now I'm going to take our wire band, our wire tie. I'm going to put it just around the edge where the glove comes together. I'm going to put it on tightly. I'm going to turn this and spin this around. All right. You prepared to see what's going to happen next? I'm going to lift you see how that baking soda has gotten in these fingers? Watch what happens. Look at that! Isn't that crazy? When you mix the vinegar with the baking soda, they have a reaction. So that formula makes a reaction. And one of the actions is that it makes air bubbles, and that air then has to go someplace, and it can't get out of the jar, so it goes up into the glove, and it inflates the glove. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope maybe throughout the day you can either have mom and dad maybe talk to you a bit more about measuring, because it's very important. And almost all we do every day, we end up measuring something, so that what I measure, I can tell you, and you can measure it and have the same results. A really cool experiment. Nanny and I love you all. Listen to your parents. Do your schoolwork. Love science. Love you. Bye.